The three largest home improvement stores in the US each offer branded credit cards, but only one, in my opinion, is worth having. This topic sits at the intersection of DIY issues and consumer issues. I've been wearing a tie for consumer issues and a flannel shirt for DIY, so today you get both, a tie and a flannel shirt. As a preliminary matter, credit cards are best used as a tool, not as a crutch. In my opinion, you should only apply for a credit card if you already have good credit, you're able to pay off the balance each month, and it's particularly important in the home improvement field that you're not planning on applying for a big loan in the future, something like a mortgage or a remodeling loan, because each new credit account you get will likely lower your credit score. The three biggest home improvement stores in the US are Home Depot, Lowe's, and Menards. Each offers a credit card and the interest rates vary, but typically fall in the 27 to 29% APR range. You can see why you don't want to run a balance on any of these cards. Now, neither the basic card from Menards nor Home Depot is worth getting, and here's why. The Menards card gives you $10 on your first $100 purchase and a rebate of 2% on most purchases and 3% on some purchases. That rebate is paid quarterly and can only be used for purchase at Menards. They do have a contractor's card that pays 2% on regular purchases and another 5% on very limited purchases like Delta faucets. But the utility of that is limited and it doesn't appeal much to me. There are plenty of alternative cards that pay 2% on all purchases and some which pay 5% on purchases, and those rebates could be used anywhere. Menards does not serve my area, so I'm not completely familiar with them, but I see no benefit from having their credit card. Now, Home Depot offers a richer bonus for signing up to $100 off a $1,000 initial purchase, but their bonus is paid in tiers. For example, they pay $50 off a purchase in the amount of $300 to $999. So it's not a straight percentage off the first purchase. It has no rebates for purchases thereafter and no other significant benefits other than extending the return deadline to 1 year. You're much better off using a generic rewards card at Home Depot. Home Depot does have a commercial account that requires payment in full each month and gives a 2% discount for early payment. But rebates like that, once again, are available on any generic rebate card. The Home Depot card is not worth it. Now, the best home improvement card, in my opinion, is the one offered by Lowe's. The Lowe's Advantage card offers a bonus of 20% off your first purchase, up to a maximum of a $100 bonus. And it also offers, and this is the most important thing in my opinion, a 5% discount applied as a price reduction at the time of your purchase on all purchases at Lowe's, with some minor restrictions. To me, that is the best kind of rebate, and the only one I'm aware of from a credit card that's applied at the time of purchase. For example, the Costco Visa requires you to wait 13 months for your rebate. And if inflation is running about 8% a year, your rebate that's worth $100 today will only be worth $92 a year from now. Plus, if your rebate is available to you immediately, you can use that money on the spot for other things that you might want to buy. The Lowe's rebate is the most meaningful discount to me because I'll often charge $10,000 or more at Lowe's on a remodel. The 5% rebate to me means $500 in my pocket on the spot. Now, Lowe's offers another branded card called Lowe's #4 Pros, Lowe's for Pros. It has the same benefits as a consumer card, plus it adds a 365-day return period like Home Depot card has, and it gives you a $20 discount on delivery fees, and that's meaningful to me. The Lowe's Pro card also gets you a touch more respect at the register and at the return desk. Now, there's no special qualifications required to get the Pro card, but really the only difference between it and the consumer card is the return period and the delivery discount. But you can apply for either one. Now, Lowe's does confuse things a bit by offering an American Express Business Rewards card that gives you $100 flat bonus on approval for the card, 5% off for the first 6 months, and then 2% off afterwards. That to me is not as worthwhile as the Lowe's for Pros or the Lowe's Advantage card. So in summary, to me, the only home improvement store branded credit card worth having is the Lowe's Advantage or the Lowe's for Pros card. And let me clarify before closing, I don't receive anything from anyone for making these videos, not even from YouTube. These comments are based solely on my own experience and observations. Thanks for watching.